Hi guys, thank you for stopping by at my channel. Today's video is about 5th year update of my pomegranate plant. This I have grown from the seeds in 2019 and now 2024. So you can this plant comes back every year, but the last year it came back and from the ground level all the upper branches dried out and it came from the bottom and ground level, so you can see in the video. So every year it grows like this, so but it is still alive, and this is the 5th year. So in July 2024 it came back and it was like 1.5 foot tall. So I was happy that it has come back again. So it's in the 5th year I was expecting uh, to have some flower or some fruit, but I don't see yet, and hoping that it will give me. See, this is August 24, so it has grown a little bit bigger and looking very bushy and very lush green. So if it doesn't give me flower and fruits, still I love it because I have grown it from the seeds and it is growing very well and it is looking very greenish and it looks very bushy. So I am hoping that it will grow and every year like this, and in some year I will finally will get some fruit out of it. So I love this plant because I have grown it in zone 7A, which is not suitable for this plant. Normally it grows in zone 8 to 10, and this is zone 7A, so it is very difficult for it to survive and come back again and again. So now you can see it has grown a little bit more bigger and bigger, and this is a September 24. So you can see it is having very new shoots, and today it is very windy, so you can see it is just dancing, and I love this plant. So I am hoping that uh, in October it will go again in dormancy, and then next year I will check if it will come back again or not, or if it will come back from the bottom, from the ground level. Then it will be very difficult for it to survive again and again. So this is the 5th of October. So I have trimmed it, and you can see it is looking more uh, in height. So it is about like 3 to 4 feet in height now, and it will grow more and more 1 month more, because in the November the frost will start coming and it will eventually die for the it will go in dormancy and will come back next year. So guys, thank you for watching this update video. I hope you like this one and you will also grow your pomegranate from the seed. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.